na o se we so de na ye
ayi o de ayi so
wo ka obi a
na o de ayi what it me say
look
yen say ya what it tin man do so say ya yan say ya na o de gubu ba o de atom ba so na wa sisia na wa ya na fe coffee na wa join sa na wa ko te body ha ba mu no na o de atoso o to so a na wa ko te apetition
yeah
now the be appetition no what be now the two appetition no one ma
why ya mama na ife coffee koro now the afra appetition no okay
onuma na we no onuma na we na the be kan ne nine no be be one be kan
no be kono
now the blade are very ho blade very ho na bo hu ne sino yeah na for we adrum bi atale ho
na the background so onim appetition no ma still na be also the man
I was on sana be ya han
yo. So what he's trying to explain to me today, I came to the farm, and like I told you, I'm learning about the herbs. All right, and so you see our wawedru. This is the wawedru. Now Nidina don't know. Hey, Nidina na munim Nidina. So so this is the leaves. We know modi wawedru. So what he's saying is that you have to get a whole lot of this, and then you grind it, and then mix with apetishi. Na the oye we no mana numbi na was the tally baby our no the ekaye no. I told you I saw it when my grandfather was doing it. He killed somebody with snake bite, and now I've gotten to know the leaves. I'm here to teach you the truth and nothing else. Into what word na ya kan no. So but your different leaves were also and you wen kwa me boa. Wen kwa. Okay. Kono kasa say e be 3. But I don't really know. I have to ask him. To what word any wa obe hu no kone kwati bi na momfa ngumu fie why momfa ngumu fie na obi waka obi ana mwakere no. So you just wait. I'll come live and then I'll be teaching you stuff, okay? Into where we word no mo hwe ni pa why we na kan ho okay we obe so would the chance one anyway ni betim dia chance
there be na when
then the chance
flowers is same
let me see tiwe hey so Mobro me surutu ti we na chance no ti ukọ efum a ohu we ni bia na wa ida mesra na wa te akofie wo waka obi pe na o de ayama no ye de mix ya petition obe ofe you grind it nti me da se